In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with supplier overpayments in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a supplier refunds you because you've overpaid a bill, or maybe you accidentally paid twice. If you don't record that correctly in QuickBooks Online, your accounts can get messy and show the wrong balances. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a clean, three-part method to handle supplier overpayments so that both your bank and your accounts payable stay accurate. We'll start by creating a vendor credit. In QuickBooks Online, go to the plus New button at the top and choose Vendor Credit. This form is how you tell QuickBooks that the supplier now owes you instead of you owing them. Select the correct supplier from the drop-down list, then enter the date of the overpayment or the refund, depending on your process. In the Amount field, type in the exact overpayment or refund amount. Make sure the details match your supporting documents, like the supplier's credit note or refund advice. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. That vendor credit now sits on the supplier's account, ready to be matched. Next, we need to record the money actually coming back into your bank account. Again, go to the plus New button, and this time select Bank Deposit. You should be on the screen where you record deposits going into your bank. In the section called Add Funds to this deposit, go to the Received From column and choose the same supplier. For the account column on that same line, select Accounts Payable, sometimes called Creditors. This step is important because it links the deposit back to your supplier's account instead of treating it as normal income. Enter the amount of the refund exactly as it appears on your bank statement, double-check the bank account and date, and then click Save and Close. Finally, we're going to link the vendor credit and the bank deposit so they cancel each other out. Go once more to the plus New button and choose Check. You're not actually writing a real check here. This is just a clearing transaction inside QuickBooks. In the Payee field, pick the same supplier again. A window should pop up showing open transactions for this supplier. From that list, select both the supplier credit you created earlier and the bank deposit you just recorded. When you select both, you should see that the total balance at the bottom comes to 0. That tells you they fully offset each other. Once you confirm that, click Save and Close. By following these 3 steps, you make sure the refund appears correctly in your bank, your supplier balance is accurate, and your accounts payable reports stay clean and easy to reconcile.